efficient, ravishing, mesmerizing, adorable, and nostalgic. And we like whenever we see, we get into the grooves, and we get attracted towards that. And that's the Simran Ahuja. And I'm happy and honored to have her. Yeah. And I'll request my co-host today, Ms. Neeti Sharma, to just welcome Simran Ahuja in her words. And then we'll start with the story of Simran, how she has achieved this stature of being an international celebrity anchor. And congratulations from team Global Talent, Simran, for the award that you have received recently for your movie. And we would love to hear about, yeah, we would love to hear about that also. And there are so many things that we will be discussing during our this show, the chat show. And Miss Niti, I'll request you to please welcome Simran, and then
Yes, yes. Thank you, Anshul ji. नमस्कार, शुभ संध्या, वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन। आप सभी का तहे दिल से अभिनंदन। आज के इस कार्यक्रम का संचालन हम दोनों इंग्लिश और हिंदी में करने वाले हैं, ताकि घर पर बैठी हुई साधारण से दिखने वाली असाधारण महिलाओं को भी इसका लाभ मिले। और जो आज नारी सशक्तिकरण की इस मुहिम में हमारे समक्ष हस्ती आई हैं, उनका परिचय अंशुल जी ऑलरेडी दे चुकी हैं। लेकिन उनके घुंघराले बाल और सुंदर चेहरे को देखकर एक शेर कहने का मन करता है कि उफ, वो संगे मरमर से तराशा हुआ शफाक बदन। उफ, वो संगे मरमर से तराशा हुआ शफाक बदन, देखने वाले उसको सिमरन आहूजा कहते हैं। तो सिमरन जी, आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन। आप अपने बारे में अब बताइए।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया नीति शर्मा जी, अंशुल शर्मा। सबसे पहले तो एब्सोल्युटली हमारे सारे दर्शकों को मेरा ढेर सारा प्यार। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर अलाउइंग मी and giving me this wondrous opportunity for being here with all of you live. Thank you अंशुल जी और नीति जी, आप लोगों ने इतनी, सबसे पहले तो ढेर सारी बधाइयां हो आप दोनों को on this magnificent celebration जिसकी शुरुआत, इनॉग्रल शुरुआत आज आप कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको ढेर सारे गुड विशेस देना चाहूंगी कि may you really succeed and prosper at the same time, empower and enrich people's lives, जो आपका मोटो है to this wondrous program. तहे दिल से आपकी शुक्रगुजार हूँ, इतने खूबसूरत शब्द आपने कहे हैं मेरे लिए, and really thankful to you all and of course the Almighty for all the love that have been showered on me. बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ कि आप जैसे दोस्त हैं मुझे। लेकिन मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी ये बात, ये खूबसूरत सी बात कि आप दोनों, अंशुल जी और नीति जी, आप दोनों जो काम कर रही हैं, to really empower everyone, to really allow everyone to grow, चाहे वो जहां पर भी किसी भी मुकाम पर वो पहुंचे हैं आज तक, आप उनको अलाव कर रहे हैं कि वो लैडर ऑफ सक्सेस की तरफ बहुत चल जाएं। इंस्पिरेशनल जो मैसेजेस दे रहे हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो आप उनको नॉलेज दे रहे हैं, इम्पार्ट कर रहे हैं थ्रू योर प्रोग्राम, so that's really commendable and lots of applauses and heartfelt congratulations to the grand unveiling of this wondrous inaugural session. And to everyone who is present here with us on Zoom, lovely evening to you if you're from India, and a very good morning if you are from the United States, and a very good afternoon if you're from the UK. What a wonderful moment for all of us to globally connect with each other on this wondrous virtual platform. I can only say this, that the world was never such a beautiful place with a global connection. So exactly. I'm going to get started, and I'm here to be with you lovely ladies. I trust you, and I love you lovely ladies from the bottom of my heart, and you and your organization. लेकिन सिर्फ मैं अभी आपसे openly कहना चाहूंगी, because Anshul ji and Neeti ji, when we were called for this wondrous event, it was exactly 40 days back when I was booked for your show. And I'm here, of course, I was in my shoot at the Film City today, and I'm about to host the Bollywood Legend Awards, जो आज हो रहे हैं. And schedule prepone हो गए हैं since Mumbai में there is curfew. We don't have the place beyond 9:30. So मैं सबसे पहले आपसे please request करना चाहूंगी कि if I get to leave early today, I promise to be there tomorrow Sunday evening or any other day whenever possible, or I will come with someone else and join someone else. But let's get started for now, because I'm all set on मैं सिर्फ आपके लिए absolutely यहाँ पर बैठी हूँ. So please excuse me for this.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you
next time
so
I'll
much.
come from the hot couch.
Yeah, thank you so much for that, Simran. And let me just tell you in brief that this movement, the global women power movement, has been started by our honorable, respected Mr. D.K. Bakshi, who has started this. And congratulations to you, sir. And it is not only in India, but we have our presence in 20 countries as of now. And by 2021, we'll be touching, 100,000 women life in directly or directly. And then we have a target of touching 1 million women power, by 2024. So that's the movement that is the movement that we have started, and we all, collectively, collaboratively, just going forward for it. And as it is said that each one of us can make a difference, yet together we can bring a change. So we are here to bring a change in everybody's life by whichever way we can. And I'm sure Simran will also give her support in her own capacities and her own ways. And as she has promised recently that she'll be with us, with someone else, bringing another celebrity in the next session that we'll be having. So Simran, just to cut it short, we would like to know your story from a Mumbai girl, studied in Sydenham College, and then moving to an international level, wherein you have been nominated not only by different countries but even by a government of India, and you have been nominated as brand ambassador for UAE, also Dubai, right? So we would love to hear your story. Please, can you share how all these ladders you have achieved and created so many benchmarks and landmarks for people like us, and touching lives of different people, not only in India but across the globe.
Wow, this is very, very interesting question. Thank you, Anshul. I just wanted to show you guys that, I'm live from here. And that's the reason I was requesting you all to excuse myself. So सबसे पहले तो मैं बख्शी sir को ढेर सारी बधाई देना चाहूंगी on this inaugural session. And thank you, Bakshi sir. You were the first one who welcomed me when I entered the room, the Zoom hall. And it is such a pleasure. So at first, I was in the outskirts, Anshul, of Mumbai city. And that's where I come from. And it's just been, after college, then I got my exposure and I shifted to Mumbai city. And it's been really a great journey. So I've done my graduation from Jai Hind College. And I did my master's in finance with first grade from the Sydenham Institute of Management Studies. I'm basically a Jai Hindite, and my college changed me completely. So everything that I've done in my life, was a miracle all by itself. I just got the way somehow sent to me. बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी शुरुआत हुई थी, and I'd never been to town. I was in the outskirts of Mumbai city. I'd never been to town until I entered college, Jai Hind College. And my first time I ever came to town was when I came for my admissions to Jai Hind College. And this is how the beautiful journey began. Jai Hind has actually given me a lot. It's the college which really changed me, my persona, my perception, and, made me what I am today. I'm truly, truly thankful to, everyone at my college, right from my principal who really encouraged me always to go ahead. So I never knew MC क्या होता है, Anshul. So this is like amazing. मुझे पता नहीं था कि MC होता क्या है, किसे कहते हैं. I had no idea whether I ever wanted to stand on stage and do something. But it just happened that my sister's a lawyer, and she was invited, for one of the events, and I just saw some anchors there, two MCs, what we say. And I asked my sister, so there were also Bollywood stars there. For the first time I was seeing stars when I was in college. I said, I didn't get fascinated by, anything else, but besides that, the MCs who were really engaging the entire crowd. And I asked my sister, who are these people? How can I become one of them? And she said, I have no idea. I mean, just call them anchor or something, and that's it. And then it was just there in my mind because I knew I come from a family of academicians. My mom never went to school, but we were told since childhood that you're all going to be double graduates, irrespective of which arena, which field you choose. And dance was a complete no-no. Thinking of, the world of films or the world of emceeing was a complete no-no altogether. We never had a television in our house. We were never allowed to watch television. So everything that came my way was truly a blessing, Anshul. And I must definitely mention this. But what has really taken me the long way, one thing I must mention this to everyone is the honesty. You know, जो भी मैंने काम honesty से किया है with dedication तो हम करते हैं, लेकिन जो honesty से किया है, that has really stayed with me and made me excel and jump the ladder. So usually on the ladder, right? But you can actually jump the ladder if you're doing it with your complete honesty and dedication. So I think this is one, definitely I like to mention this aspect to everyone that, in a world of today, we see everything and we get all sorts of thoughts. So like mentor college, you get all sorts of thoughts, you think about, manipulating, you think about, how should we go about anyhow, making it possible, not the negative way, but still, we think of the smart ways and we call it to be smart. But I think if you just yourself, with hard work, perseverance, and of course with the faith and with your honesty, you can really achieve everything that you want. So beautiful journey, Anshul, for me altogether. TK Bakshi sir, it is absolutely awesome to be on your show, and lots of love to you. Cheers to you. And with folded hands, Bakshi sir, I'm going to request you that I personally want to be there for your show. So I'm going to request you to please one more chance of being there tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. If it's suitable to you, or any other day, which is possible for you guys, because I would like to really talk about my beauteous journey on this most wondrous platform. And your
certainly we'll
that's a humble request to you.
Yeah, certainly we will have some other day also for you, Simran, because journey is something that cannot be comprised, or that cannot be compressed within some hours or few minutes. So I would like to, since you are mentioning again and again about honesty and dedication, so we all know that, yes, that reflects from what you have achieved so far. But one thing that I have come across is that you have done 450 shows in 365 days.
I've done 650 shows, 650 shows.
My goodness. So that see, within few days it has been, crossed that also. So just let us know like how that happened and how that is possible.
Sure.
Like within.
Okay. This has been phenomenal. So it's been a complete blessing, and I think I want to mention this to everyone because this is really going to take everyone on the creativity aspect, on the innovation side altogether. We just had my last show, my last international show was with Udit Narayan sir, where we were a crew of 20 people, and I came to Mumbai on the 2nd of March when we got to know about, the whereabout, taking care and being careful about the mask. And of course, my last travel show was in Delhi, which I did the Women Awards with Sonali Bendre ma'am, where she spoke about, everything that we went through in life, and we had the awards. And of course, on the 8th of March, officially, I did at the JW Marriott, the iconic Women Awards, where I was very fortunate enough to be awarded by Saroj Khan ma'am, our legend, and I was also the official anchor for them. So this is how, that was my last show. And then, I had back-to-back events throughout, including the IFA. So I hosted the Filmfare 2020 on the 15th of February, which went off very well at Guwahati. So I traveled to Guwahati. I did the technical awards in the month of Feb. I did 9 events in Dubai, Mahabiz, and conferences in petroleum sector. So 9 times I traveled in Dubai in the month of Jan and Feb. And then suddenly, all of a sudden, I also did the Femina Beauty Awards on the 18th with Katrina Kaif and all the beautiful queens who were present at that award. So suddenly, jab lockdown ho gaya, now what? Everything is shut. So first thing I immediately shifted to my bungalow. I'm basically in Powai, but I shifted to my bungalow because I knew that I'm going to do something online. And everything started online there. And that is how I thought of getting innovative. So last year, I'm the brand ambassador for Country Club as well, and for several other brands, Retro Gym. So last year, I couldn't do the yoga day. Here, I was doing it at the Royal Caribbean Cruise because I was in Barcelona for my event. So I was cruising, and on cruise at the sky deck, we had with all the foreigners, with people from 40 countries where I took this yoga workshop. But, sir was not happy since I was traveling. So I said, why not start with yoga and make my country club happy? I immediately called him, and sir said, great idea. And we went live. That was massive because we were the first ones to start live yoga. where I would also cater to everyone. If you had back pain, knee pain, BP, high BP, low BP, if you had PCOS, everything that you were going through, vertical problem, every trouble, diabetes, how do we go about? And every single day we went live, non-stop, 4.5 months till the 4th of August, because 5th of August, then we decided that everything will open now, the gyms will open. So consistently we went live and we were shocked and stunned. Without any PR, without any publicity, organically, we had 200,000 people doing live with me 108 Surya Namaskars.
Oh,
So
great.
it's
Wow.
phenomenal. So 200 only fitness shows. They've been small shows from 25 minutes to 45 minutes. As a brand ambassador for Retro Gym, I did fitness talks with Nitro Gym, and I do a lot of work with them as well. So, and of course, Country Club at Your Doorstep was like absolutely a mega super hit with 160 shows consistently without missing a single day. So I think that was phenomenal. So that comes towards my fitness thing, which really clicked well. And I could really be of help to people. So that worked wonderful. Besides this, I finished 101 shows for TV Asia. So I always had offers to become a television talk show anchor. Never got the dead time because weekends were always booked. Thank you, Bakshi sir. So kind of you. That I got this offer from USA for TV Asia to host Celebrities in Unison with all the Bollywood stars. So right from Sonu Sood, Abhay Deol, Isha Deol, Talat Aziz sir, all the legends who be with us, Anu Malik sir, then our forever legends. We've really done shows with everyone, and we've completed 101 shows for TV Asia channel, which is USA, Canada, and Mexico.
Great.
And then, of course, besides this, I've been very fortunate to also get to be on the spiritual aspect, which is very close to my heart. I did the big magnificent shows for the Hindu Jars for Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji, which was on their website. So I think this was complete blessing. And being, at home, I never knew I could do shows for the Honorable Prime Minister of Saint Martin, or the Honorable Prime Minister of Curacao, and, for the entire diplomats from all across the world. Besides this, I've become a producer for the Healing Our Earth show, which is every Sundays, the UK show. So I used to be awake all nights, the official anchor for the Viral Singer reality show. So at 4 a.m., I get a call, listen, these are our winners, and please give us because we need to post it by 9 a.m. So wake up. So it's been really crazy, 24/7, UK show, US show, and coming towards Australian show. It was phenomenal, coming towards St. Martin, to the Netherlands, and of course, Indian shows. It's been a beautiful journey. And this is how it all happened.
So
Once
yoga,
you're creative and you're innovative, things just click. And Niti and Anshul, this is exactly what you guys are doing as well.
oh my God.
Yeah.
Just be very creative and positive. One message I like to give before we go to the next question is, there were 2 days when I was stressed. There were 2 days. So every evening used to be back-to-back shows. Trust me, I used to get pain, sitting on that couch nonstop for 6 hours together, without taking a break, maybe just to freshen up for a minute. But I actually get pain. I used to get up and wow. And then I used to change the position, sit in Sukhasana, sit in Vajrasana, Padmasana, and do my shows. But one thing I must mention, there were 2 days when I was stressed. When I said, oh my God, when will the reality show start? ये तो बहुत कम पैसे मिल रहे हैं यार. Virtual shows comparatively, compared to the reality show, the real shows, live shows. Also, I was called for the IFA, which was 27, 28, 29th of March, which also got postponed because it was March. And I said, God, ab kya? So somehow I was stressed. And that is the time, I realized that, I have prayers with me. What a miracle prayers are. But because I was working round the clock, all that went for a toss and you get carried away with whatever you're doing. And this is how I realized that I need to really get back to my aspect of my spiritualism, which will really balance your life. And balance of life is extremely special. So I always tell everyone that prayers work wonders. We are not earning money, it's fine. Think 2020 is a year to give. Just be a giver.
Absolutely, absolutely.
खुशियां मिलेगी, कितने contacts मिलेंगे और पैसे भी आएंगे. ठीक है, we earn 8-figure amount, maybe we'll get 6 figure amount, but you will absolutely be satisfied because you are at least giving something to the world. So 2020 and this point of time is all about love and compassion. Just give as much as you can. Thank you.
Absolutely. So
सिमरन जी, हाँ, true.
the same way, even Mr. Bakshi has started this drive, wherein being an HR, professional and the leader of this era, he started this movement, and wherein virtually we are giving so much to whichever way to whomsoever is possible. And again, it is all free of cost. So as you mentioned, it is this year 2020 is the year of giving. So the same way we are also doing and our bit, and we need cooperation from so many other fraternities also, that we are getting by virtue of the blessings from different people.
अंशुल
And
जी, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता सिमरन जी योगा और उनका अध्यात्म ने उनको 2020 क्रॉस कराया है? सिमरन जी क्या बोलेंगे इस बारे में? आपका फिटनेस मंत्र योगा से रिलेट है या उसमें स्पिरिचुअलिटी ने आपकी अध्यात्म ने और चार चांद लगाए?
नीति जी, मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी, यू स्पोक अबाउट योगा, राइट?
जी,
हाँ, sorry, I'm going to request you to repeat the question because I've just taken few more minutes from them, so that I can go live. Sorry, आपने क्या कहा योगा के लिए डाली?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, मैंने ये बोला कि आपका जो फिटनेस मंत्र रहा वो आपका
हाँ.
योगा रहा, और आपका जो स्ट्रेस को दूर करने का एक तरीका था वो अध्यात्म था, और
Oh my
2020
God.
आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड मतलब थैंक गिविंग था। एक्चुअली ये सभी के लिए था, नहीं आपके लिए नहीं, मुझे लगता है पूरे वर्ल्ड सभी पूरे विश्व के लिए थैंक्स गिविंग ईयर भी बोल सकते हैं आप, इजंट इट? तो योगा और अध्यात्म का आपने योग किया।
जी बिल्कुल, उससे तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है नीति जी, लेकिन हम सब योगा करते हैं, फिर भी हमें स्ट्रेस तो आता ही है। सो आई थिंक अवेयरनेस ऑफ लाइफ होता है। जैसे मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जब हम योग करते हैं तो उसमें 4 एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, ओके? तो जैसे हम भुजंग आसना करेंगे तो वो एक्सप्रेशन हमारा होता है फीलिंग ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ। सो जब हम अपना थॉट, अपना माइंड भी उसमें ले जाते हैं, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू गेट द ब्यूटीफुल बेनिफिट्स। एक एस्थेटिक बेनिफिट होता है, स्पिरिचुअल बेनिफिट होता है, होलिस्टिक बेनिफिट होता है एंड मेंटल बेनिफिट होता है। तो जब हम एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ करते हैं तब हमें वो एहसास होता है। इन द फास्ट पेस्ड लाइफ आई विल नॉट ब्लेम एनीवन एल्स, मुझे खुद को कभी टाइम नहीं होता है करने के लिए नीति जी। सो अनलेस आई एम डूइंग वर्कशॉप्स आई मायसेल्फ कांट गिव टाइम एट ऑल, एंड स्पेशली digital media and the presence of social media everywhere, you just have so much pending work 24/7. You see, not easy. So I think you have to mentally tell yourself and tune yourself that you need to be aware at every point of time. Point number one, and all across the world, because I've been connected. Like Healing Our Earth platform is where all the countries, about 100 countries, complete 100 countries connect on this platform, and we really discuss about right from spirituality, right from basic values, simple eating, simple living, and how can ourselves happy at this point of time. So I think this growth has been immense, and I'm really fortunate enough to be able to even cater it to everyone on these wondrous platforms. So just tomorrow morning, like today I'm hosting these awards, tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. we are having Shukran with Simran Ahuja at Juhu Beach, where we're going to have 500 people live doing 6 a.m. morning se leke. So 2 kilometers the people will be all spread out, and I was on stage where I'll be reviewing the Bollywood music, Punjabi pop and Garba, because my Garba just released.
Yes, I saw the videos. My God, such an amazing.
And then we have live breakfast.
सिमरन जी, आपके लिए ताली बजाना चाहूंगी इस चीज के लिए। क्या गरबा करते हैं? माय गॉड, लाइक आप बताइए, आपने लाइक बचपन से सीख रहे हैं या आपका?
नहीं नीति जी, मुझे डांसिंग बिल्कुल अलाउ नहीं था घर में। मुझे बचपन में आई वांटेड टू लर्न कथक, जस्ट नॉट बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू लर्न, बिकॉज हमारे घर में टीवी अलाउड नहीं थी, हमें टीवी देखना। माय मॉम वाज द बॉस इन द हाउस, so she used to say आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना है। I was never allowed to dance, so I said, my friend is going for Kathak, can I go and learn? I went for one free trial class. My mom came to pick me up. I'm talking of I was in 4th grade, and she said dance is not for us.
Oh, okay.
And dance के बारे में सोचना. And it's just when I was in high school, everything, that's what I'm saying, everything that came to me was a miracle. So I had just this offer, where someone asked me कि आप कंप्यूटर पे ग्राफिक कर सकते हो लैपटॉप का, उनका गरबा इवेंट था. And that's what I did for them. Sweetie, I'm sorry, but I will have to leave now because my show is starting. And Bakshi sir, please मुझे बख्श दीजिए आज. But I promise to continue with you with this show because it's a live event and event has been preponed because of the curfew in Bombay. मैं हमारे सारे viewers से माफी मांगना चाहूंगी. please allow me to come to you.
इतनी
And ये
भाषाएं
beautiful
आपके
Garba
पास
की
तो
journey
बोल
is
सकते
beautiful.
हैं।
Dark Like a Goddess film के बारे में आपने कहा, I will share with you. It's a fact.
So
Can I
Simran, Simran,
hold it hands?
few minutes. We'll have a formal closing ceremony for this.
Sure,
And
sure.
yeah, for the same, I will request. We have so many things to listen from you and hear from
Yes, sir.
you.
So before you do the closing ceremony, Anshul ji, our legend is here with us, Arun Bakshi sir. I have my live show, and we want to say hello to everyone from Global Team.
नमस्कार।
Hello, sir.
Hello to everyone.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you,
Global.
sir?
How are you?
Good, we are great, sir.
I hope you all are healthy, happy, smiling.
Yes.
So is Simran.
Thank you so much. Such an honor for us to have with us our legends here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Bakshi, sir, are you there? So
Yes, sir. Dear Bakshi says yeah.
So, see, we always teach and learn that there is something called risk management. So wherein we don't know what is going to happen the next step. And when we wanted to start this show, Simran was there for us for some time, but due to her, other commitments, I don't think that she'll be able to pull it on for long. But with the promise that she will be coming again back to our show.
Yes.
And request Bakshi sir. I think we'll have to cut it short. Bakshi sir. So,
Hello.
yes, sir.
Namaskar.
Yeah. Anyhow, I think she is gone.
Yeah, that's what I even.
Yeah, she had. No, she's there.
She's there.
Yeah, she's there.
Simran, just unmute yourself, please.
Here I am. Thank you, love.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi,
Bakshi sir.
Simran. Hi, Simran. This is DK Bakshi here.
Wow, sir. Sir, such an honor, sir. And I'm really, really apologetic about this, sir. But I have to go for the lighting of the lamp ceremony, sir.
Yeah,
Allow me, please, sir.
yeah. Give me 2 minutes. I would like to say
Yes,
that
sir.
it has been a real delight to have you on this show. I have been trying to reach you last more than 100 days. You can see your Facebook, you can see your Twitter. I have been trying to reach you. Finally, Anshul got you today. And unfortunately, you have to go. But you need to come back to this show again.
I promise.
You are an icon. And I feel very proud of you and what you do and what you bring into the world. And therefore, Women Power, a global moment, is awaiting you again to come back on this show because you have that power of being women of substance, women of excellence, and women of elegance. So please,
I promise, sir. ये मेरा वादा है, sir. मैं वापस आऊंगी, sir. It's my promise.
वादा भी
Thank you.
कीजिएगा और टाइम भी दीजिएगा।
Thank you. Yes, I promise. मैं आपको 2 घंटे दूंगी. 2 घंटे दूंगी. That's my word.
You are live, huh?
Okay, thank you, sir. Wish
Thank
you
you,
all the
Lord.
best.
God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
God
thank
bless.
you,
Bye,
Simran.
thank you.
And in the last, I will just say,
God bless.
Uh,
Bye-bye.
yeah,
Sorry, sorry, I'll have to
Bye,
leave.
dear. Bye,
Please, I have to go for lighting
Bye.
of the lamp.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Take care.
Love you
All
guys.
the best.
Please
I love
forgive
you.
me.
Love you
God
too.
bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Anyhow, I think there's a very good effort by Anshul and Niti.
Thank you,
I
sir.
must congratulate you. The launch for Mumbai chapter is fantastic and fascinating with such a person.
Thank you.
And you tried your best. And of course, she has committed to be here again.
yeah,
And
she will be.
She will be. She will be. And I would certainly like you fix up a date. And even if it's not a Saturday, it's a Sunday, we can specially create a date for her. It's not necessary to have Saturday. We can create a Sunday, whatever date is convenient to her, or any other date. And we will get back to her and have a detailed questions for sure.
Ji.
And ladies and gentlemen around the world who are watching it now or who are going to be watching it later, this was Simran Ahuja, an icon of our country, India, a proud icon of this country. And the two Women Power ladies, Anshul, who is the chapter in charge of Mumbai for the Women Power, a global movement. Along with her, Niti Sharma, I would like to give a big round of applause to
Thank you,
these
sir. Thank
wonderful
you.
ladies for making this event very marvelous. Unfortunately, as a celebrity, she had to
she
go
has-
because there's a preponement of one of the event where she has to be there. we could not help. But at the same time, this is going to be amazingly beautiful, the way two of you have taken it forward. And I want to tell the world that Anshul has already taken one Saturday per month from me to take in her
Yes.
hand this
Yes.
global women power. Similarly, Shefali has taken one Saturday from Delhi, and many more are going to be doing that. Gunjan was just talking, she will take one Saturday from me. I wish to give these Saturdays to all those women who are the women power and who deserve to be taking it forward. I am an honorable woman title
Yeah.
to be there
Thank
to
you,
support
sir.
you and
I
and
like this
take it
word
forward.
from you.
No, I have been titled as an honorable woman, not by me, but people have titled, the women have titled. So therefore, congratulations, Anshul. Doesn't
Thank
matter.
you. Thank you
You
so
know,
much. And
and
yeah, I'm really
congratulations.
sorry to all the audiences because even I was not aware of her this last moment
Continue.
change that happened.
Yes.
But nevertheless, we'll have her again, and see, we cannot predict future. So that was, yes, there. That was evident from whatever happened today, and I'm sure we'll be having these success stories continued. And as mentioned by Dr. Bakshi, that we'll be having one Saturday for Mumbai chapter, wherein we'll be having so many other uh, successful women across the Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, or Maharashtra, who'll be sharing their life journey, and we'll try to learn from their stories, their life stories, that how they came to whatever status they reached. And we'll keep sharing their stories to you through this medium. And as we mentioned during the discussion, that this year is the year of gratitudes, the year of giving. So we'll try doing our commitment to the best. And again, really apologies, accept my apologies, wherein we could not fulfill the commitment, because it was not on us, it was due to her uh, some preponement of some assignments. So
Never
we'll,
mind, never mind,
yeah,
never
but
mind. And Varsha should make a YouTube and send it, because then
Yes,
we
sir.
can still propagate it around the world, as well as it should go to Simran, and then she will certainly come back on the next
yes,
day.
sure,
Yes,
sure,
yes,
we'll be
sure,
there.
sure.
And thank you so much, Bakshi sir. Thank you so much, Miss Niti. And we'll just
Thanks to you,
I
dear.
I must thank you and Niti for this wonderful initiative.
Thank you, sir.
And this initiative is going to give opportunities to other women power as well
True,
to
definitely,
true.
take it forward.
definitely. Yeah.
True.
I would give a big round of applause to both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Same to you, sir.
Okay, all the best.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you, and take care all. Yeah.
Good luck. Have a nice 2021 full of opportunities and beautiful things for the human race. We are going to live, and we have already lived in 2020, and we
Yes,
are going to
we
live
are
in
great survivor of
2021.
2020.
Survival of 2020 was the best. 2021 is going to be a most beautiful year for all of
Beautiful
us
year
in the
ahead.
human
Yes.
race, irrespective of caste, creed, gender, nationality, and religion. Around the
Religion.
world, one love, one human race, and one world.
Sir,
One love, one human race, and one world.
Vivek ji, kuch
yeah,
कहना
sir, Vivek sir has something to say. Vivek
हाँ,
Khalkulin.
yes, जी विवेक जी.
Good evening, ladies.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, very good evening.
Namaskar, sir.
I would like to say one thing. We all know now 2020 WON, that is 2021. Be successful, all of us.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Vivek.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Basically,
much.
how do you pronounce? It's 2020 WON.
Okay.
Wow, that's very good. Vivek, that's
Thank you for
fantastic.
sharing, and be
That's
safe,
great.
all of you.
Okay,
you,
take care. Good luck. All the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
take care.
Bye. Yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.